The indefinite road blockade on National Highway 37 demanding land compensation called by the affected landowners committee Longmai area Nonay district has been temporarily suspended after a meeting with the representatives of the committee and the concerned officials was held. The government assures to release the state compensation at the earliest. The Chief Minister Environ Singh has called a meeting with the leaders of the committee on August 16 at CM Secretariat to discuss the matter. After the meeting of August 16, the committee will announce further hesitation. It may be mentioned here that the affected landowners committee Longmai area of expansion of National Highway 37 in Jiribam Road demanded immediate release of the land compensation.
Ekoi affected landowners committee Longmai Nonay district na Sathariba National Highway 37 ye ekoi awa ana tariba ekoi gi yum kai amang ata tariba mayam na ban blockade nataga indefinite shutdown oina ekoi Sathari masigi manung asida ekoi gi damakta thajaba puraktuna ekoi gi Hill Area Committee Chairman Nungba SC gi MLA mahagna aikoigi marakta lae hairaga wari sanaduna aikoigi Chief Minister Banglo asida date 16 asida wari sananabagi damakta assurance sobire madugi matung oiduna aikoina masigi ban blockade aikoina shutdown tawribase aikoi call off tawre adoga masi ase aikoi gi thajabado pirakpa ngamdaradi aikoina masigi manung asida aikoina aikoigi chathagadaba yamna aruba aikoigi asetpa homsat ado amaka chathagani aikoigi total shutdown aikoigi indefinite blockade ase amaka chathagani haibase aikoigi media gi mifam sida thamjabani